In a world where government officials wield immense power, transparency is the cornerstone of democracy. But what happens when those in power try to hide their communications from the public? One intrepid reporter, Patrick Wade, embarked on a journey to uncover the truth, leading to a groundbreaking court ruling that could have far-reaching implications for government transparency. Wade, a reporter for the News Gazette in Champaign, Illinois, noticed that city council members and the mayor were using their personal electronic devices to send messages during public meetings. Curious about the contents of their private discussions, Wade filed a Freedom of Information Act (FOIA) request to the city, seeking all electronic communications, including cell phone text messages, sent and received by members of the city council and the mayor during city council meetings and study sessions. The city provided Wade with 24 pages of emails stored on city-owned accounts, but denied his request for records from personal devices, citing that private citizen communications to city officials' privately owned electronic devices are not subject to FOIA. But Wade persisted, requesting administrative review by the Public Access Counselor, and the Attorney General's office ultimately issued a binding opinion ruling that electronic communications, whether on publicly or privately owned devices, may be subject to disclosure under FOIA. The city appealed the decision, but the Circuit Court affirmed the Attorney General's opinion, and the Appellate Court upheld the ruling, determining that messages concerning public business, even those sent on personal devices, are subject to disclosure. The implications of this ruling are far-reaching, and legal experts are still grappling with the uncertainty of how to implement it. The City of Champaign case has sparked a wave of similar cases, with courts ruling that personal emails of government officials may be subject to disclosure, even when stored on private devices. As governments and public officials navigate the complexities of FOIA, one thing is clear: transparency is the foundation of a healthy democracy, and those who seek to hide their communications from the public will be held accountable.